Good morning, students. In previous class we have learned combining addition and subtraction. Let us learn new topic, subtraction of 4-digit numbers with zeros. Okay, I already told this. Once again I am explaining. First, example 1. For example, subtract 2346 from 7000 is there. Subtract 2346 from 7000. Then first in this two, which one is biggest one? Yes, 7000. So we'll write first 7000 minus 2346. We have to write according to the places. Ones place under ones place, tens place under tens, hundreds under hundred, thousands under thousands, like that. Okay, now always we have to start doing subtraction from ones place. Yes, now can we subtract 6 from 0? No. So we have to take borrow. When we are taking borrow, we'll get here 10. Okay, here we are taking borrow, but how much is there here? 0. So we have to take from here. Here also 0 is there, so from here. Okay, here this 7 will become 6. Okay, 7 will become 6. Now when we are giving here this 0 will become 10, but from 10 we are giving 1 here, so it will be 9. Same like this, it will be 9. Okay, we'll get 10 only, but we are giving here 1, so it will be 9. Now 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 2, 4. Therefore we got 4654. Okay, this is subtracting from zeros. Okay, when we get zeros, we'll do like this. At the end we'll get 10, 9, 9. Here if it is 6 means we have to take 5. If it is 4 means we will take 3, like that. Okay, now I will explain one more example. For example, 9080 minus 2492. Okay, 9080 minus 2492. Now we'll write here 9080 minus 2492. Okay, always we have to start from ones place. What is the digit in ones place? 0. Can we subtract 2 from 0? No. So we have to take borrow. When we are taking borrow, we'll get 10. Okay, this 0 will become 10. Here 8 will become 7. Okay, 10 minus 2 is 8. Now can we subtract 9 from 7? No. So we have to take borrow. But here 0 is there, so we'll take from here. We'll get 10 points only, but we'll give here 1, so it will be 9, and this will be 17. Okay, 17 minus 9 is 8. Now 9 minus 4, 5. Here this 9 will become 8 because we are giving here. So 8 minus 2, 6. Therefore we got 6588. Okay, this is subtraction from zeros. Okay, let us learn one more topic, checking subtraction. Okay, checking subtraction. We'll check subtraction by doing addition. Now I will explain how to check this answer is correct or wrong. Okay, look here carefully. We call this number as bigger number and this as smaller number, and this as difference. Okay, this is bigger number, smaller number, difference. here also bigger number, smaller number, difference. Okay, when we are doing checking, let's see, this is bigger number, this is smaller number, and this is difference. Okay, when we are checking this is correct or wrong, we have to write difference first. Okay, difference, and then we have to write this smaller number and add these two. Okay, if you get here bigger number, then if you get this bigger number here, then this answer is correct. If you will not get, then this answer is wrong. Look here, what is difference here? 4654. So we'll write here 4654. Now what is smaller number here? This second one, 2346. Now add these two. 4 plus 6, 10. 0 here, 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 0 here, 1 taken as carry. Now 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 0 here, 1 taken as carry. Now 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. What answer we got? Yes, 7000. Here, what is bigger number? 7000. So, this answer is correct. Okay, let's see for this. Okay, very easy. We'll do check by writing difference here. Next, smaller number, second number we have to write, and we have to do addition. Okay, difference is 6588, and the smaller number is 2492. Now add these two. Okay, 8 plus 2, 10. 0 here, 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 8 here, 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 0 here, 1 taken as carry. Now 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9080. Look here, bigger number 9080 is there. Yes, if we get this number here, then this answer is correct. Okay, this is subtraction and this is checking subtraction by addition. Okay, look here children, textbook page number 108, exercise 3. These are subtracting from 4-digit numbers with zeros. All zeros are there. So we have to do subtraction like this. Okay, and do the subtraction and check the answer by addition. Okay, you have to check the answer by writing this smaller number and answer, do addition. Okay, smaller number, answer, do addition. If you get this above number, then that answer will be correct. Okay, do this in your fair notes and check the answer also. Okay, now I will explain up to H your homework. I will explain I. Okay, look here, Lakshmi's mother had 5050 rupees. She spent 2055 on buying Lakshmi's uniform and books. How much money does she have left? Look at I answer. Money with Lakshmi's mother. How much money is there? 5050. Okay, now money she spent. On buying books. Okay, how much she spent? 2055. Now let's do subtraction. 5050, 2055. Look, we have to subtract from ones place. From 0 we cannot subtract 5, so we'll take borrow here. It will be 10. This 5 will become 4. 10 minus 5, 5. Now from 4 we cannot subtract 5, so we'll take borrow. Here 0 is there, from 0 we can't take borrow, so we'll take from here. It will be 9, this 5 will become 4, and this 4 will become 14. Okay, 14 minus 5 is 9. This 9 minus 0, 9. 4 minus 2, 2. Therefore she have 2995 amount left with her. Okay, this is rupee symbol. Okay, this is I answer. Look at J question. There are 6000 roses and 3560 lilies in a flower shop. How many more roses than lilies are there? Look here, 6000 roses are there, 3560 lilies are there. Means which one are more? Yes, roses are more. How many more? Means how many extra roses are there? Means subtracts 3560 from 6000. Okay, now look at J answer. Number of roses. How many roses are there? 6000. Number of lilies. How many lilies are there? 3560. Now do subtraction. From 0 we can subtract 0. Yes, 0 minus 0, 0. Now from 0 we can't subtract 6, so we'll take borrow from here. It will be 5, here 9, here it will be 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. 5 minus 3, 2. Therefore 2440. We'll write here. There are 2440 roses are more than lilies. This is J answer. Okay, up to here complete in your fair notes. And look here children, textbook page number 111, mixed bag, third bit is there. Okay, do this also, subtract and check the answer by addition. Here 6798 from 7469, sir. Okay, third bit A answer. What is the number here? 7469 minus 6798. Write like this and do subtraction. Okay, 9 minus 8 is 1 and 6 minus 9 we can't subtract, so we'll take borrow. This 6 will become 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. Now so here it will be 3. From 3 we cannot subtract 7, so we'll take borrow. This 7 will become 6 and this 3 will become 13. 13 minus 7 is 6 and 6 minus 6 is 0. Here we got 671. In the question they gave subtract and check the answer by addition. So we'll do here check. Here only, beside only you have to do check and write this answer here upside 0, 6, 7, 1. Okay, now write this here 6, 7, 9, 8. Do addition. Okay, 1 plus 8 is 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. 6 here, 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 4 here, 1 taken as carry. Now 1 plus 6 is 7. We got 7469. Here which number is there? 7469. So we got same number. So this answer is correct. Now do B question. Like this, complete this bit also. Okay, only third bit. 111 page number, third bit. Okay, I have given 2 homeworks, that is do the exercise 3, these 8 problems, and do these problems and check the answer by addition, and same way you have to do this also. Okay, only third bit, don't do second first bits, only write heading mixed bag and do the third bit only. Okay, thank you.